In a small village lived an elder sister and her young brother. Maramir took wonderful care of her little brother. Every night she told him beautiful stories. Mir Bilaj was mischievous but had a tender heart. One day a fierce storm struck the village. Mir Bilaj wandered far from home in the storm. Mara went out into the storm to find her brother. She found him trembling under a tree. She hugged him and brought him home safely. Mir Bilaj realized how precious his sister was. After that, he always listened to her. Their love became a beautiful example for everyone.